For this recipe, my inspiration was a tube of prepared polenta and a craving for nachos. Maybe you see where this is going. We have polenta nachos, or polenchos, and they're exactly what they sound like. Nachos made with polenta in place of tortilla chips. The first step is to prepare the polenta. Because polenta can be quite moist, you want to make sure that you thoroughly dry it off before and after slicing. I just do this with paper towels. And then slice it into about 1/3 to 1/2 inch thick rounds. You'll get about 18 slices out of an 18-ounce tube, so 1 ounce rounds. Once you have sliced all your rounds, pat them dry again because they're going to sputter and spatter and pop when you put them in the hot skillet with the oil. Just a word of warning, you may want to wear long sleeves, but it's so worth it. So heat about a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet and then fry the polenta until light golden brown on both sides. It's about 2 minutes per side. If you have a really big skillet that can go under the broiler, you could prepare this in all one pan. Otherwise, fry your polenta in batches and then arrange it in a slightly overlapping circle on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then top the polenta with your beans. I use pinto beans this time, but black beans would be good, chili beans, or kidney beans. But after you add your beans, then pile on your meat or your protein crumbles and then follow that with cheese. I used extra sharp cheddar cheese, probably about 8 ounces, which is 2 cups shredded. You can use less or more, or a different variety if you like. And then pop that under the broiler for about 3 to 5 minutes, rotating the pan halfway through so that it browns evenly, and then just pile on all your favorite toppings. I used fresh jalapeno, julienne radishes, cilantro, black olives on my husband's side, diced tomatoes on my side, and then I topped it also with the pickled red onion from last week's video. And we just dove right in. You could also add sour cream, salsa, guacamole, whatever you like on your nachos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did, and for more cooking videos, visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.